Guys, welcome to iCast 2023. My name is Jack, and this is the Pacbak P88-MK Cooler. So what we have here is a true internal capacity of 88 quarts. On the right-hand side, we have a 58-quart capacity. We have a bunch of Alaskan sockeye salmon in here, fresh fish. I'll show you how we seal those in just a moment. We also have here on the left side a second compartment, which is 22 quarts. And then on the top, we have another compartment which houses our sealer. This is a battery-operated vacuum sealer. I'll show you that in just a second. But this is 8 quarts. Every one of our cooler compartments are numbered in the bottom, so you know exactly how many quarts there are.
That's awesome.
So the sealer fits right down in there. The cutting board is fully removable, so if you want to use that anywhere else, you can. It stays in the cooler with a lock pin. And there's 2 positions. There's one here to stay open, and then there's one here if you want to lock it in.
Okay.
So again, 88 quarts, 58, 22, and 8. The way that this works is when both of your lids are down, you have 4 lock points and connection points for your tabletop.
Okay.
So your tabletop right now is out, it's extended. When the cooler tabletop is on the cooler, it looks just like this here.
Okay, it's all self-contained.
So this is our Seafoam green one. This is the one that won iCast 2022 Best Soft and Hard Coolers, as well as Best in Show, again 2022. So again, all you do is you unscrew these 4 connection points right here.
And then it folds out?
And then it folds up and goes right on top of your cooler.
Wow.
When the tabletop is on top, you can access either just the left side, or you can access the right side, or you can access both. On each of the compartments, we have stainless steel connection points. Bottle openers on the left side, as well as the right side over here. All of our handles are stainless steel on the end for connection points as well. Wow. And where the tabletop connects to the cooler itself, we have stainless steel connectors. And this is where they connect. You can again connect your cooler tabletop on either side. Wow. Rugged handles. We have drain kits on each side of the cooler, and one of the things that's cool about the drains is that inside the cooler you have beveled floor, so the water always flows to where the drain plug is. Wow. You don't need to tilt your cooler to get the water out.
Outstanding.
Next thing is we're going to seal a fish. So what we have here is what is known as the Roam 18V. So it's an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, and we can seal our fish, our game, whatever we catch. We can do it anywhere we want. In the woods, we can do it on the riverbank. In the back here, we have our roll holder. So we have our roll of bags. You can leave this closed. First thing we're going to do is turn this on. So we have a blue light indicator. I'll get this out of your way just so you can see. We have, for food, we have a dry, a moist, and a canister. We have the ability to vacuum and seal with one push. We have the ability to seal only, which we'll need to do here in just a second. And we have the ability to manually vacuum out as much air as we want. And the cool thing about this is when we're doing it manually, we can suck as much air out as we want without losing the seal.
Oh, okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first cut a bag. And we can cut it to any length that we want.
And the cutter's built in?
The cutter's built into the sealer. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out. We know we're going to seal a fish roughly that long. We'll push this down and lock that in. And then we'll zip this across, and we just cut our bag.
Oh, wow. Perfect cut every time.
Super slick.
Wow.
Okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put, because we have 2 open ends, we're going to seal one. This is our heat strip.
Okay.
The heat strips in this are replaceable.
Okay.
Most of the other units in the industry, when your heat strip burns out, the first thing you have to do is throw the whole unit out.
Replace it, yeah.
Replace the whole unit. You know, a good sealer like this, you can spend anywhere from $150 to $300 for a good sealer. So the second you have to replace your heat strip is when you're saving money. I'll show you how we do that as well. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put your bag somewhere. You don't want to waste a ton of plastic, but you're going to put it where your heat strip actually is, and then you're going to close your unit. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit seal only. So what's happening right now is the heat strip is heating up, and it's going to give us a nice bead across the entire bag, and it's going to beep 3 times when it's done to indicate that we have a good seal and we're ready to put whatever we want into the bag. So here we have that clear line.
Nice uniform seal, nice. Very nice.
So then we're going to take our fish that we caught. This is fresh Alaskan sockeye salmon. We'll throw a sticker in there because everybody loves stickers.
Absolutely.
Make sure the tail's not in the way. And And then what we're going to do is we're going to make sure the end of our bag goes into our drip tray and is centered between each side of the seal. And then we're going to have our heat strip hit it. And we're going to do all of this in one motion. We're going to lock that in. We're going to hit one button, which is back seal. And what we can see is all the air coming out. And then when all the air is out, the system automatically knows that it's time to seal. You can barely hear it. It's pretty quiet.
I was about to say, yeah, it's very quiet. I wasn't surprised by that.
But the motor will stop, the vacuuming will stop, it'll go silent, and right now what's happening again is the heat strip is creating that nice clean bead across the bag. 3 beeps,
Yeah, that's it, 3 beeps.
we're done, and we have a fish that will last for years.
Wow, that's really cool, and it's all self-contained. That's awesome. Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome, thanks guys.